Hey guys, I found this new Google Forms that site that we will use to be taking most of our tests now. It's really simple to use, and tomorrow we will be taking this test. 'Twas the night before Christmas. It is a 5-question quiz that has 3 multiple choice questions and 2 short answers. It's going to help me know how well you guys understand the story 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. After you're finished filling out the questions, which is real simple, you just click which answer you think is right, and you'll put your email address in and my email address in and share it with me. The results will come straight to my email. I will go through them and see the results, and then I will send them back to you. I hope you think this is as easy as I do, and we will learn how to use it together and make it as simple as possible. Thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow.